Hello from Slovenia again. I will do another zip bag dip on the black background, and today I will use orange, magenta and alizarian violet and a little bit of, maybe a little bit of metallic violet, I don't know. So I will start with orange this time, and I will try to do a flower again. Oh yeah, before I forget, please join me on Friday this week. This is 7th of June. I will go live and I will put, I don't know, I think that I will do 10 of my paintings and I will show them to you, and you will, if you want to, if you like them and if you want to have them, I will give it these 10 paintings for free. Just the only cost you will have, it's shipping. So if you are interested, join me Friday. This is 6 p.m. New York time, I think. I will put this in my community section too, that you will be able to see exactly when this will happen, if you are interested, and we can talk a little just to talk, and maybe if you want to have one of my paintings just for the costs of shipping, join me, and hope we have some good time. And I will have my stepdaughter Marina here with me, so she will help me with this and we can chit chat and maybe you get some painting that you like. I will just maybe put a little of this Arteza metallic purple here, and I think that I will add a little of this white here too. And orange in the middle. Maybe some metallic white. And for greens I have this Arteza olive green, metallic olive green. And lemon yellow. If you didn't see a giveaway video yet, please do. We celebrate our 30,000 subscribers and 100 videos on my channel. I'm so excited and happy, and a lot of interesting things will come in few days or a week. So I hope. What is with my zip bag? No. I hope that I have enough air in it, because obviously my zip bag lose air. Just stay for this one flower, please. Please, 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 Zippy. Please, please. I don't know. You see here I didn't dip this. Okay, but I will not dip again, because I like it kind of, so I will try to blow this a little bit. Just to don't like this obvious line here, or how can I say that? And maybe this part here I don't like too, but I will leave it because I don't know. Because I kind of like what is going on here, and this middle part too, so just this spot is something that I don't like, but I think that if I will mess with it, that I will ruin this I think that I will leave this because I don't know, I like it. I will show you a close-up. Just think that whoops, too much. I have some air bubbles here that I want to pop. I don't use silicone, so all these cells are from my metallic paint and air that it's underneath when I dip it, so I will show you a close-up. I really think that it's kind of cute. I don't know. I don't know why, but I like it. Maybe I did add too much orange, and next time I will go orange, violet and magenta, maybe, but I don't know, I like it. So this was it for today, and hope we see you on Friday and talk a little bit, and maybe you want to get some of my paintings, and I will glad to give it to you just for the cost of shipping. So have a nice day and see you on the next one. Bye.